call on the phone just to tell me that you're thinking about me. You do it just because you're sweet, and that's one reason why I can't think. I get butterflies inside me every time that we speak.